Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. Sugar-free, oil-free, dairy-free, high-protein, low-fat, soft inside, crunchy outside, super healthy, super delicious chocolate truffles made with chickpeas, but no chickpea taste. Don't worry, just pure chocolate truffle flavor. So good! So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, open a can of chickpeas. Drain. Rinse. And throw them into a food processor. Along with a quarter cup of cocoa powder. 6 Medjool dates. And 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Next, blend it until smooth. Now roll the dough into little bite-sized balls. And throw them into melted dairy-free dark chocolate. Let them cool in the fridge. And enjoy with super healthy and super tasty chocolate truffles. Thanks for watching.